All right, so in this video, I'm gonna go over how offering a free brand film on my Instagram and Facebook led to me making over $50,000 from one client. My name is Jason. I own JLS Video Agency here in Los Angeles. I have a team of 5 full-time video editors, and I deliver hundreds of videos every single week to clients across the country. But this wasn't always the case. Back in January of 2023, I was a struggling videographer going from project to project, chasing leads and clients without a sales process, without a way to productize my services and fix businesses problems with video content. I was simply going from job to job as a commodity, delivering videos to clients. But everything changed when I invested in my own education and learned to position myself strategically as a video expert who would solve clients' problems. The biggest hurdle that I had in the beginning was confidence. I did not think that the videos that I could create would be worth the value that my clients would want to pay for them, so I started by offering a free film. Now, why would you want to offer a free film? Well, it lowers the sales resistance that cold customers who have never heard of you have when you get hired for a video job. So at the time, I learned how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. You can check out other videos on YouTube on how to run Facebook and video ads, but I'm going to tell you exactly the strategy and formula that I use to start getting new clients. And that was running a free film offer. So how this works is once you create your landing page for your free offer and you create a video ad that says, hey, I'm going to make you a video for free, you start getting inbound leads through Facebook and Instagram that want to work with you because a free film is a crazy great offer. And that's what I mean by an offer that's irresistible, an offer that people cannot refuse because it's too good. Later on in my career, I would end up using a guarantee offer, which basically meant I would guarantee the client the result that they're hoping for by using me as their video content expert. But since I was starting out and I didn't have much confidence, I simply ran this free brand film offer. Now there's pros and cons to running a free brand film offer. The main con is that you're going to get a lot of freebie seekers who want to work with you because you're free. They don't have any cash to spend because of course they see a free offer and they jump on that. So you're not going to be able to upsell them later on and have them hire you for more paid work simply because they're freebie seekers. So what's going to happen is you're going to have to hop on a lot more sales calls and take on a lot more time. So it's a huge time investment. So it's a risk on that end, but it's a low risk in the sense that if a client does agree to work with you and you think they're going to be a good fit and could pay you later on, then the video that you make for them doesn't really have to deliver on the results that you think it would. So it kind of fixes imposter syndrome in that moment that comes from running Facebook ads and trying to sell your services to people who've never heard of you. Now, of course, the main pro to running this strategy is that you're going to get a huge amount of people that will book calls with you and will hop on a call, even if you don't have much experience in the niche that you're trying to sell people to, even if the person has never talked to you before, they just saw a 30-second ad of yours, they're more likely to hop on a call with you because of how crazy this offer is. I mean, just think about it. The worst case that could happen for them is they hire you to make this free video and it doesn't work. The best case is the video works for them and brings them in more business. So how do you determine who is a good fit for you and who is not a good fit when it comes to offering this free brand film? Well, when I did it, I hopped on probably 100 different phone calls with people and only ended up giving away 3 free films. All right, so the first free film that I gave away was to a client who, honestly, I wasn't sure if they were ever going to hire me again. They didn't actually end up hiring me for any future work, so I didn't receive any cash from them, but what I got in return was actually way more valuable. The client that I worked with was a spa in Venice, and they had a beautiful sanctuary, and so I was able to capture some stunning B-roll that I used on my video ads, as well as creating a testimonial with that client because he was in the niche that I wanted to go after more. The B-roll combined with the brand notoriety of working with a prominent spa like that one ended up really helping me land my first few paid jobs. So again, what is worth more, getting that one paid job to go through or getting a ticket to help me get a bunch of new paid jobs later on? So again, it might seem crazy to offer a free film for your services, but there are so many reasons why you should start doing this, especially if you're a beginner. Even if you're not a beginner and you're simply trying to break into a new niche or a new medium, this can be a great way to do that. If you want to learn other tips on how to grow your video agency and turn yourself from a videographer into a video business owner like I did myself over the last couple of years, check out the other videos on my page. Please subscribe to this video if you want more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.